Okay, so everyone knows about these fake free Robux obbies on Roblox. You've probably played one yourself, but I'm sick of it. I remember as a kid, I'd hop on Roblox and I'd be minding my own business just to get randomly teleported into one of these games. Then you're like, huh, maybe it does give you free Robux. So I'd waste hours of my life completing the obby just to get all the way to the end and get nothing. So in this video, I'm putting an end to it. I'm gonna create an obby that actually gives you free Robux, starting from 100 Robux for the easiest obby all the way to 10,000 Robux if you can complete the hardest one. So let's do it. All right, boys. So I got my studio open, and first things first, I need to create the actual obbies themselves. I want to have like 3 different stages, you know, easiest, medium to hardest. And basically, like the harder the stage is, the more Robux you'll earn. Now, as you can see, I have a little obby kit builder right here. So I need to actually do some magic and build some nice little obbies. Now, I am not the best builder, so it might take a minute, but it's okay. We'll give it a shot here. Now, as you can see, boys, I've created my stages. And let me add the text right here as well. All right, there we go. Now it says exactly how much Robux you'll get from each stage. And let me also delete the base plate really fast. And there we go. That's more like it. So, boys, for the 100 Robux obby, it's pretty darn easy, bro. If you couldn't do this, you should probably just quit Roblox and delete your account because it's very easy. Now, for the 1,000 Robux one, it gets quite a bit harder. And as you can see, there's actually walls in between here. So you can't just skip a stage or skip a big jump. And this is a lot of jumps, okay? Some of them are really high, some of them are kind of far. So it might actually be a little challenging for this one. And for the 10,000 Robux obby, boys, we have conveyors right here. This one, you have to literally jump, do a little shimmy right here, get in there while jumping because the conveyor is going to push you out, jump around these walls, land on that, and then go around this and make it to the end. This one is 10,000 Robux, so it makes sense why it's the hardest one. I'm hoping nobody actually beats this one that much, or it could be really bad on my pockets. But anyways, now, boys, the way this is going to work is if a player decides they want to do the 100 Robux obby, they come through, they beat it. Once they touch this, I'll be standing right here, and I automatically will get prompted to buy their game pass. Then they immediately get teleported back to spawn, and they can do the next obbies. And as you can see, I didn't have win pad 100, win pad 1,000, and win pad 10,000 to keep it simple. Now, I should only give people one chance just to be hard, but I'm a nice guy, so I'll make it kind of easy. You'll be able to do it as many times as you want. Now, as you can see, boys, I've added in a new thing to our game right here, which is the spawn area. You may be wondering, what the heck is this, and why do you spawn outside of the box? Well, let me show you. So basically, the way this game's going to work is you'll have to have a shirt or a game pass for 100, 1,000, 10,000 Robux. Now, to make sure you don't go in and start playing before you have the stuff, there's that green wall, and it's already gone, as you can see, because I have the stuff. But I'll show you what it will say if you don't actually have the required items. It'll pop up on your screen right about now, and there you go. It says, hello, thank you for joining. You've just joined the first ever working free Robux obby. And now if you'd like to participate, create the shirts, make sure it's for sale, then hit the refresh button. If you did it correctly, the green wall will disappear and you'll be able to play the obbies for free Robux. Now, it automatically is gone because I already had it, but if it wasn't gone, you just refresh, then the wall would go away after you made the game passes. So I've already coded that part, and that was honestly the hardest part of this. It took me a while to figure out how to actually get the players' shirts, load all that data, and check if they were for sale, but I don't want to bore you guys with the code, so I won't show you all that now. Anyways, at this point, all I need to do is actually make it so when the player completes the obby, they get teleported back, and I get prompted with the message. Now, boys, I am so excited for this. It's gonna be so lit. I'm actually gonna have the first ever free Robux obby, bro. Now, these right here, by the way, are for players to teleport back. So once they complete this obby, they'll be teleported here. And let me actually make them invisible because you probably don't want to see these. So, transparency 1. There we go. And all right, I'm hyped. Let me code this really fast, and I'll test it out with you guys. And all right, I believe I got it working right now. Give me a second though to test it out. It's also going to prompt me to buy my own game pass, which is kind of stupid, but obviously that's not how it'll work in the real game. So anyways, let me do the obby really fast. Oh my gosh, bro, this is way too easy. I'm literally handing out free Robux. And all right, there we go. It's done. And okay, yes, it did prompt me. It said you already own this item, your account's not been charged. Now, boys, don't judge my UI, okay? I know it's pretty disgusting looking, this white box with the black stuff on the edges, but you get the point. It basically says you completed the free Robux obby and you won that much Robux. So, boys, it's literally working. There's nothing else to do right now. I mean, that actually was a lot easier than I thought it would be. It's not very much code to create a free Robux obby. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and publish this right now and get one of my friends in here and play around with them. I'm excited to see how this goes. All right, I'm calm calling my friend Bombo right now. Don't mind all these periods. I had to clear the DMs because there's bad stuff in there. And yo, Bombo, what's up, buddy?
Hey, what's good, bro?
So, I have an invention I actually just created today. I need you to test it out.
Okay, an invention. I like the sound of that. Well, let's see.
All right, I just sent you the link to it right now. You should have it right there. It's called Free.
What is this, dude? It looks sketchy as heck. I can't lie.
Bro, it's not sketchy at all. It's a free Robux Obby. And join, dude. What are you doing?
Okay, now I know you're scamming me. A free Robux Obby.
Join!
Okay. Am I supposed to read all this stuff?
Oh, don't read it now because I'll explain it for you.
Okay, good. I don't want to read.
Okay, basically.
Why is there a wall?
Bro, listen, the wall's not there for me because I actually have the shirts. But look. As you can see right here, it says 100 Robux, 1,000 Robux, and 10,000 Robux. These are all free Robux obbies, and whichever one you complete is the amount of Robux that you will automatically receive. Now, for this to work, you actually have to have some shirts worth each amount on your account. So can you do that real quick and then refresh?
I guess. Okay, this is, I don't know. This is sounding really weird. I got you.
All right, hurry up.
Okay. Oh, the wall went away.
Hey, let's go. Okay, perfect. All right, follow me right here. Oh my gosh.
Okay, this better be real, dude.
I'm about to get scammed. All right, go ahead, buddy. Go ahead.
Okay, why is this obby actually kind of hard?
Bro, this is not hard. Are you joking?
I am joking. This is so easy. 100 Robux just for that?
Okay, and boom, it works. As you can see, guys, I'm about to buy his Game Pass, and boom. Congratulations, bro. You just won the Robux.
Let's go. Wait, I need to check if this actually went through.
Bro, yes, it actually went through. What are you talking about? I just bought it, bro. That's the point. It automatically prompts me, so it is literally a free Robux obby.
So I'm going to get 1,000 Robux if I beat this obby, is what you're telling me.
Yes, dude. Just beat
1,000 free Okay. Try.
Good luck,
This one's a bit harder. I can't lie. Is it like impossible or something? Why'd you say it like that?
It's not impossible, but let's just see you do it actually. Okay, not gonna lie, this is.
I'm an obby.
Oh.
What?
Is that a kill part or something?
Does the wall kill you?
Hold on, I don't know actually. Let me try this. Wait a second. Oh, I failed. Just died on my own obby.
I just died randomly. It didn't even look like a kill part.
Wait. Okay, I'm back.
I need this Robux.
Okay, don't jump on there. I think it kills you. What's wrong, buddy?
This is a troll obby.
Okay, no, it works. I think I might have actually built that wrong. That's my bad. Ooh, just died again, buddy.
I'm not dying this time.
No, you definitely are, buddy. You definitely are.
This is the one where I win it all.
All right, good luck.
This is a troll obby, bro. Don't even lie to me.
It's not a troll obby. Do it already. Hurry up.
Okay. Can I jump to there somehow? I don't think I can make that. Ah!
Bro, jump down, then jump up.
You can make that? That's like a 10-foot jump.
That's not that far. You know, I'm kind of glad it's hard, though. I'll be able to not actually have to spend all my Robux.
No, I want you to spend your Robux.
Bro, I'm about to make the game public after this, by the way. I'm going to let everybody join, and I'm about to get literally just robbed out of my money.
Bro, you're going to lose all your...
I saw you die.
Oh...
All right, you know what? Just try the 10,000 one.
I need the 1,000. Okay, let me try one more time on the 1,000, please.
Buddy, you're not doing it. I'm sorry.
I need this Robux.
And all right, make the jump, buddy. Do not die. Oh, you did it.
That was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life.
Okay, that's embarrassing.
Let's go!
And there you go. Bro, why is your shirt called Less Money?
Because I need more money.
All right, well, congratulations, buddy. 1,000 Robux.
Okay, this one actually looks so hard. What?
Bro, do you not understand you're getting a free Robux right now? It's literally a free Robux obby, bro. You know they were all
It needs
scams.
to be easier.
Dude, no, this is 10,000. Ooh, you failed on the first jump, huh? You know, let me try this thing, actually. Oh my goodness, that is hard.
Yeah, you failed on the first jump too.
Yikes. Low-key a little worried. All right, well, Bombo, sorry
No,
we don't have all day,
please,
dude.
no, I need another charge. Please, let me try.
All right, last try.
I need to do this.
Oh, what the heck?
I made
Bro
it.
actually made that jump? Okay. Oh, rest in peace. All right, boys. Well, it's time to make a server public and see how many people join. Thanks for the help, Bombo.
You're welcome.
And all right, my joins are on right now, and I just pinged in my server. I said, join this. Free Robux obby. It literally works. And this guy said, please let me in. Bro, Read. He said I'm subbed. Thank you, but there's free Robux on the table here. He said I already made one. Wait, what? Already made what? And look at Bombo just repeatedly trying. I mean, to be fair, if he does get it done, he does get the Robux. All right, I'm assuming they're going to take a while because they have to actually all make their game passes or shirts right now. So we'll just wait till someone actually starts playing the game. And no, this guy has it. What the heck? He said, OMG, I love you so much, Tap. Aw. And wait a minute. No, they don't have it. Bro, they're jumping the wall. This is not good. Okay, guys, never mind. I need to actually restart the game right now. This is bad. This is really bad. Hold on. There we go. That should be better. And I'll make this one a little easier as well. There, that shouldn't be too bad. And all right, let me shut down all the servers and then I'm going to rejoin. That way people can actually play. And all right, there we go. Hey, so this guy actually has the game passes. What the heck? All right, boys, this is not broken anymore as because they're trying to jump over right now, but it does not work, unfortunately, for them. And bro, how is the server so full so fast? Oh my gosh. And what? They just pushed the wall. Oh my gosh, I didn't anchor it. Never mind. Restart. Oh my goodness. All right, let's try that again now. Hopefully that doesn't accidentally happen. All right, there we go. Now nobody can go through the wall. At least I hope not. Let me let mine load really fast. Come on, load, load. And there we go. We're in. Hey, people are actually playing. And bro, go for the easier one, man. I'm going to say, guys, this is actually free Robux. Follow the steps. Oh my gosh, they're not listening. Well, some of them already have game passes. I'm assuming people played Please Donate or something and they maybe have them from that. So yeah, I'm going to say, I'll friend you if you win. How about that, buddy? Bro, and why did they just skip to the 10,000? And yo, somebody won one. All right, well, there you go, buddy. 1,000 Robux. He said, I won. Easy. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm literally scamming myself. And bro, what are these kids doing? The wall is not going to magically open for you guys. I know there's no wall for me, boys, but it's only for them, it shows, because they don't have the game passes or the shirts. And this guy said, Tap, no way. I'm going to say, guys, make the shirts and play the game. Do you want free Robux or no? Like, when else have you ever offered free Robux, dude? Oh my goodness, they're not even listening. He said, I made the shirt and won the game. Now what? Oh, well, you won 1,000 Robux, buddy. Congratulations. And oh my gosh, they're doing it. They're doing it. I'm about to have to pay out, boys. Watch this. And all right, here we go. I'm about to get prompted. I think so, at least. Oh, and it might have broke. That's awkward. Oh, okay, it worked for this guy for some reason. Well, it broke for them. Hey, there you go, buddy. He said, is it real Robux? Bro, yes, it's real. Check your pending. And bro, Bombo's still trying this. I don't know if it's even possible, honestly. Let me try this. Oh, wait. Oh, someone tried to buy one that I already have. All right, come on. This is actually hard. What the heck? Bro, whoa. That one's actually hard. I should have made this one 100k Robux, low-key. All right, well, boys, I think I can successfully say I made the world's first free Robux Obby. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.